Did you know there was an old woman who could see tomorrow but couldn't change it? Her name was Mama Aduni. Every day she spoke in riddles that made no sense. The year when rivers forget their names is coming, she warned. Store water. Plant the strong seeds. The villagers laughed. Old woman has lost her mind, they whispered. But Mama Aduni had made a deal with Oya, goddess of winds and change. She could see the future, but never alter it. Months later, the drought came. Rivers dried up, crops died, children cried for water. Everything happened exactly as she foretold. Now the desperate villagers begged for her wisdom. "How did you know?" they asked. Mama Aduni's eyes filled with tears. "I traded my power to change tomorrow for the curse of seeing it." The village finally understood. True prophecy isn't a gift. It's watching tomorrow's pain and being powerless to stop it. Some knowledge comes with a price too heavy for the heart to bear.